Imagine, if you will, a world where beings of all forms and shapes reside. Here there's a belief that all living creatures carry a fragment of divinity within them. The essence of God, they say, is intricately woven into the very fabric of their souls. Our journey begins with Luna, a young girl who feels an unexplainable presence deep within her being. It's as if she carries an invisible flame, a beacon that illuminates her path and guides her actions. As Luna grows, this sensation deepens, compelling her to embark on a quest to uncover the truth about the divine spark dwelling within her soul. Across enchanted forests, up treacherous mountains and over vast oceans, Luna seeks answers. She consults wise sages, pores over ancient scriptures, and learns from the diverse beings she encounters along the way. From the wise owl perched atop a gnarled oak tree to the old sage meditating in a serene temple, Luna learns that every creature has their interpretation of divinity. Some see it as a force of love and compassion. Others perceive it as an eternal source of wisdom and guidance. Through these encounters, Luna discovers that the presence of God within all beings isn't limited to a specific form or shape. Whether human or animal, magical or mundane, the divine essence transcends physical boundaries. It manifests through acts of kindness, empathy and selflessness, regardless of the vessel it inhabits. Luna's journey ultimately leads her back to herself, where she realizes that the divine spark within her is a reflection of the interconnectedness of all life. The presence of God in her soul is not separate from the world around her. Instead, it's a reminder of her responsibility to nurture and protect the sacredness within herself and others. The idea that all beings possess God in their souls serves as a metaphor for the inherent worth and potential for goodness in every living creature. It's a reminder to embrace our shared humanity, to treat each other with kindness and respect, recognizing the divinity that resides within us all. So remember, each of us carries a spark of the divine, a piece of the infinite, a fragment of God. With that in mind, let us strive to nurture and protect the sacredness within ourselves and others.